Hey guys, it's Ashley Mia back with another video, and today I'm about to do a simple and quick video for all my photographers and creators that want to extend the background and have your photo looking like this to this. The steps are like so quick, y'all gonna be like, okay, why didn't I know this sooner? But we're gonna put it in Photoshop and I'm gonna show y'all what I do to clean up and extend the background. So let's go. All right, y'all, so let's put our image in Photoshop, drop it right into the application. And as you can see, this image on the right and left side has that kind of industrial look, which I really like as a photographer, but sometimes people don't like it. This one is way more of an outtake anyway. So I want to extend this red background on the left and on the right and on the top so it can look really nice and seamless. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to crop the image. So we're gonna go to our crop tool and I'm gonna come all the way down here and take off all, you know, the extraness that we do not need, okay? So I'm gonna get it right there. I'm gonna push enter. All right guys, so I'm going to take that same crop tool and I'm going to click it again and I'm going to extend the top, the right, and the left so that it can be a nice image that I can get all those edges for, or get all the redness across. Let me see here, right there. Okay. Now we're going to make sure that content aware is selected, okay? And it is right here. It's right at the top. If you don't have it selected, make sure it's selected. And we're going to push enter. Now Photoshop can do a really cool job of just filling it, but as you can see a little bit of the lines and everything. So the next step is, after you do the content aware, you can take the patch tool and clean it up. So let's do that really quick. So you're gonna make selections and then you're just going to make selections. I'm sorry, oops. So you're just gonna make selections and, you know, kind of make them all around, kind of get that clean, kind of just doing that really nice and continuously. And we're gonna start to see things come together. And yeah, y'all, so you're just gonna keep doing that until you get it nice and clean. And this is how you extend and clean your background. Now, I'm not gonna do all of it, but those are the 2 steps that I do to make my image nice and clean. As you can see the result here. And yeah, so I hope that helped you. It's super quick, y'all. And if you are doing your photos and you're seeing that you're shooting and the industrial part, or like the C-stands or the paper rolls are showing, don't worry, you can fix it in post-production just like we did today. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I can bring more content to you like this. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace.